This is the value of interest payment. Company will repay this amount with the amount of principal payment to bank at the end of first year. This is the value of principal payment. Company will repay this amount with the amount of interest payment to bank at the end of first year. In this video, I will calculate the total amount of loan that is repaid by company to bank within 10 years. As company borrows $65,000 to bank with 7% annual interest rate and 0.58% interest rate per quarter, then company pays total interest $25,564.61 and total principal payment $65,000 to bank within 10 years. So how much total amount is paid to bank if company borrows $65,000? Active cell reference I13, enter equal sign, add these two cells values. Click cell reference I8, enter addition operator, click cell reference J8. Press enter key. Formula returns $90,564.61. So company pays total loan amount to bank within 10 years $90,564.61. Company borrows $65,000 to bank and repays to bank within 10 years $90,564.61. This amount depends on the value of annual interest rate. If I increase or decrease the value of annual interest rate, the value of total loan amount will be changed. Active cell reference E5, type 5. Press enter key. The values of total interest payment and total loan amount are changed. So company will repay total loan amount to bank with 5% annual interest rate $82,731.10 if borrows $65,000 to bank. Again active this cell, type 10. Press enter key. The values of total interest payment and total loan amount are changed and increases by increasing the annual interest rate. So company will repay total loan amount to bank with 10% annual interest rate $103,077.57 if borrows $65,000 to bank. Again active this cell, type 7. Press enter key. So company repays to bank total interest payment $25,564.61 and total principal payment $65,000 with 7% annual interest rate. The sum of these two values is $90,564.61.